We're here with Chuck Hess from Bausch Lomb. Chuck, thanks for joining us.
Tom, thank you for having me.
We're looking ahead here at OIS, as always.
Looking forward to it.
And want to get a sense of what's up with Bausch Lomb. You folks are investing in the future. You've got some interesting products coming out in a few specialties. Let's tackle the cataract first there. What new developments do you have there? What things will you be talking about this week at AAO?
Absolutely. Well, Bausch Lomb has invested significantly in our surgical business, and the opportunities that we're really looking for is really providing new technology as well as greater service to our customers. So in the area of cataract surgery, we've got a number of new features within our portfolio that we're going to be talking about this week to ophthalmologists at the meeting. Well, first of all, we've invested significantly in our laser platform. Our VICTUS laser is our femtosecond laser. We've got new software that we're introducing here at the Academy meeting, as well as some new hardware that's going to make it easier for patients to access their laser treatment.
What's the significance of the software? How does that make an ophthalmologist's job easier?
Absolutely. So the software is actually going to provide additional fragmentation patterns of the lens, as well as an interesting opportunity to center the treatment on the lens at the true center of the apex of the lens capsule. So in other words, we're providing surgeons with another centration modality between the limbus, the iris, and now the true center of the capsule. So it gives surgeons the ability to provide better accuracy for their treatments.
Fascinating. And how is that being received by the market?
Well, we're going to find out here at the Academy. We have used this technology in Europe already, and it's really been outstanding from a treatment perspective for the European surgeons. So we're excited to get it into the lasers here later this year in the U.S.
Is the adoption in Europe, is that usually a pretty good barometer of what you'll see in the U.S.?
It's really a great barometer because we have just such a great business model in Europe. We have all of our production, all of our R&D is centered in Munich, Germany. So there's a really good close connection between our R&D facility and the customer base in Europe. So we're excited to have that technology in the European market. Now we're going to bring it to the U.S. And we're excited to have it here a little bit later this year.
And how about in the retina space? What do you anticipate releasing there?
Absolutely. The retina technology that we're introducing here at the show is really our 27-gauge biblade technology, and that's going to be available on our new Stellaris Elite platform. Now, the exciting thing about that is it gives us an opportunity now to really engage surgeons with new technology on that platform, but also prepare them for what's coming ahead, which is our new Vitesse technology. It's our hypersonic vitreous liquefaction technology. It's the first advancement in vitreous removal in over 40 years. We're going away from pneumatics and we're going to a hypersonic technology to really liquefy the vitreous and aspirate it from the eye. So we're very excited to have that in our portfolio this year. Now, I mentioned Stellaris Elite because it's an important platform for us. We just launched that technology this year, and actually for the cataract surgeon, it gives us an opportunity to advance the fluidic control of the surgical procedure. So we're providing a technology called adaptive fluidics, and here at the Academy meeting, we're actually going to be introducing 3 new procedure packs for those surgeons to really get a better handle on their fluidic control during their cataract removal. So a lot of innovation around the Stellaris Elite platform, and really an exciting technology for us to carry us forward into the future.
And how is it's getting competitive out there for surgeons. How is the market receptive how receptive is the market to new tools like this, and how much more difficult is it selling surgical tools to surgeons, to ophthalmologists? Is it easier, is it more difficult? What's it like?
Well, it's a great question, and surgeons really love technology.
Sure.
They see all the innovations that we're talking about here at the meeting. They also want access to products that can make them more efficient or provide them with better value. And I think that's really what we've been trying to find is technology innovations and advancements that really combine to offer surgeons the ability to provide better outcomes. And so I think when we boil it down to technology leading to better outcomes, I think that's really what motivates surgeons and then also the healthcare facilities to upgrade their platforms to provide new treatment options to their patients. So that's really kind of what we're thinking, kind of in the long term, is how do we evolve that experience, that surgeon experience, the facility experience, to allow them to provide better options for their patients.
And what else are you introducing in the cataract space?
Well, we're very excited to bring forth a new intraocular lens at the meeting this year. It's really a technology that surgeons have provided us with a lot of feedback. They want glistening-free optic, they want easy to insert into the eye, but most importantly, they want a faster unfolding intraocular lens, and that's exactly what Envista with Stable Flex technology is. A great platform, a great glistening-free platform that allows surgeons now a greater efficiency as the lens goes into the eye. It unfolds a lot faster. So we're real excited about having that technology in the platform as well. So
that being last question, we're looking ahead. What do you anticipate seeing in ophthalmology in the next 5 to 10 years? There's a lot of exciting stuff coming out. Where will Bausch Lomb be positioned in this great future?
It's a great question, and it's something that we talk about on a monthly basis in a lot of our innovation meetings. We really are trying to obviously look into the crystal ball to see where the market is headed in the next few years. There's just a great amount of innovation in implant technology. There's certainly a lot of innovation in data and data management. We're talking about that here at the meeting. And there's also a lot of great innovation around how we actually control the surgical parameters during a surgical case. So I think that's what we're going to start to see, is how surgeons are engaging in their surgical procedures, how they're using data to actually get better at providing better care for their patients. And then ultimately, as we look at all of these technologies, pulling them all together, providing surgeons with great flexibility at where they want to practice and how they want to practice medicine.
It's exciting times.
It's exciting.
Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Tom. Really appreciate it.